Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term trend of Zillow Group Inc. And this stock has indeed give you big returns over a period of last 7 or 8 odd years. So from the lows of 2011 it has already give you 1300% return. So over a period of time it's pretty good, and looking at the current market conditions where you have super phenomenal returns, I would say that if you have normal return or better than normal return when you are in the stock market, it is probably much better than having super phenomenal return, because there is no sustainability of those returns or the chart patterns, okay, or the share price, you could say, because the way the stocks are moving. So it doesn't matter whether it's a good company or bad company, but those share price won't sustain, so if you are factoring next 5 years of earning in a single month or two, then how could it be justified? Because it will fall one time or the another. So let's understand the trend and what one should do in the current scenario. Now, this was the big resistance level where the stock has spent probably 7 odd years from 2013 to 2020, and from the lows of 2020 in the month of March it has already risen by 400 odd percent. So understand the current consolidation and then we are going to talk about the breakout. So 67 or $68 was indeed your big resistance, where the stock had tested in 2018 and early 2020 and falls back and again went up. So this was your big resistance inside for this trend, and the big support will come at 16.6 on the downside, and then you have your support at 19.24, then you have your support at 28.5, then you have 50.88, and then 67.66. So it's not like the stock will fall down, but you should know about your support level so that you have a better understanding about the trend. Now, without further ado, because the next thing is, now we have a breakout. Even after breakout, the stock has moved 47 odd percent. So the important question to get answered is, how long will it go on the upside, or what should be the next probable target? Okay, so for that what we need to do is just we are going to look at the trend and we are going to see the length of the consolidation. We are not considering this and this because this seems like exaggerations, because the stock has not been able to sustain in these levels. So that's why I have taken the middle of the range where the length is 176%. So we can apply the same while talking about the next big target for this particular script of Zillow Group. So what one should look at is the level of $185 on the upside, probably in the times to come. Okay, it will probably take couple of months. So let's understand that if the stock moves naturally or in a natural circumstance, how long will it take? Obviously it will take couple of months rather than you're considering a couple of weeks, because that's why the stocks are moving in a super phenomenal way. So do not consider those kind of things. So in a normal scenario it will take probably couple of months, but you have a good target of $185 on the upside, which one should look at probably in the months to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.